Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the 2019 Marble Run World Cup. That's right, folks. You're here with me, Jim Costa, and my co-announcer for this event is Cotton-Eyed Joe.
Hi, Jim. It's good to be with you.
We are coming at you live from the Championship Marble Run. Here to watch these fierce competitors run the gauntlet.
I'm so excited, Jim. Who's up for Heat 1?
Let's introduce him now, Cotton. He spends hours working on the hairdo.
Oh, it shows, Jim. It shows.
A fierce competitor. It's Lionheart. He's got more arms than sense.
5, right, Jim?
No, Cotton. It's 8. It's the Kraken.
Check out that smile, Jim. Looks like a real heartbreaker.
Oh, she will tear your heart out, Cotton. It's Reptina. Soaring above the competition, taking no prisoners.
He does a little modeling on the side, Jim.
Blue Fury. You might think he's corny.
Looks delicious, Jim.
Wait till you see him shock through that course. Maze Runner. She will have you seeing stars with her lightning speed. It's Mystic.
Well, she does have 4 legs instead of 2, Jim. Jim, is it hot in here or is it just me?
It's definitely not you, Cotton. It's Fire Dragon. Everyone's favorite.
Unless you're at the beach, Jim.
So true, Cotton. It's Shark Bite.
Hey, Jim, let me introduce the next one.
By all means, Cotton.
Well, roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn. It's Quick Start. He got his name from his 2 big ears, right, Jim?
No, Cotton. Try not to talk anymore, will you? It's Triceratops. Let's go through the World Cup track, shall we? You want to finish first in this heat so you can move on to the World Cup finals.
To win all the marbles, right, Jim?
That's right, Cotton. All the marbles, the Marble Run course, and even a victory party for your entire class.
I'm so excited, Jim.
Calm down, Cotton. It's race time. Today's track has 3 towers and almost a 4-foot vertical drop.
Sounds scary.
There are 7 speed funnels and 2 cross-tower connections. And here we go. The race for the Marble Run World Cup has begun. Into the first funnel, it looks like Shark Bite will take the early lead and drop first, followed by Mystic, and then Triceratops.
Here comes the rest of the field, Jim.
It's just too close to call. Lionheart takes first, being chased by Sharkbite, and then Fire Dragon, Mystic, and Reptina.
The ladies are coming on strong, Jim.
And Lionheart makes the first cross-tower switch with Fire Dragon close on his tail.
It looks like their lead's widening.
I don't know. Here comes the rest of the field. Oh, Lionheart holds the lead, Reptina right on his tail. It looks like it's all Lionheart in this race.
Here comes Fire Dragon.
And there's Reptina. Oh, wait, out of nowhere, it's Maze Runner dropping in. Lionheart drops to the cross tunnel and the last funnel to victory. Looks like he'll easily win this heat. Wait. Oh, my goodness. It's a 3-way battle between Lionheart, Reptina, and Maze Runner. It's too close to call. Holy moly. Reptina takes first place. Maze Runner comes from the back of the pack to win second. Lionheart falls to third place but hangs on to make it to the final round. Well, there you have it, folks. Reptina, Maze Runner, and Lionheart will advance to the Marble World Cup Finals.
Just 2 more heats and it's Cup Championship time.
That's right, Cotton. Join us next time to see World Cup Finals here on CWTV. Or join us live at your school.
School? It's been a long time since I was at school.
We can tell that, Cotton. So long, race fans. As always, I'm Jim Costa, joined by, well, at least physically, by Cotton-Eyed Joe. See you next time, and have a great night.